I just want to do something for the moms that, like Kineta, has a very busy schedule when the day comes, and usually need that time to wind down at the end of the evening. Something simple, easy to put together.
Rich, just let me interrupt because I want to just thank the folks at Hennessy for making this one possible. This toast to the moms is brought to you by Hennessy. Sometimes Kineta's just go into a zone and she just come on and say, guys, I've had a hard day.
You look at my stops. You look at my stops. Oh my goodness.
Anil was a lot today to deal with. I need a break, and you know, I just needed to sit in the car here for a little while.
No, that's really important. That's when my me time comes into play.
Moms need me time.
Yes, me time is important. A lot of moms, I think a lot of moms are aware of me time, but they tend to do me time at a specific period, where it's like, okay, either first thing in the morning, or they take me time after being under a lot of stress. I believe taking me time, like after the hustle and the bustle of my morning, I prefer taking me time for 10 to 15 minutes in the car when I get home. Just switch off.
Mid-morning kind of thing.
Yeah, switch off and just disconnect. And then by 9 o'clock, I go in and start my day with Anil.
I don't want to laugh. So basically, you take some me time before you deal with Mr. Anil.
Yes, it's important. It's important. Yeah, boy. And it actually does make you feel really calm.
It calms it. There's a calming.
There was a calming moment. I don't know if it was your voice.
Yeah.
I
believe